So welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing our Boxycharm unboxing, and I'm also going to be doing a try-on tutorial portion of this video. I just have my foundation and I've set my face and I have my brows on, but that is it. Because I want to be able to use some stuff in the box, hopefully, fingers crossed. So without further ado, I don't want this intro to be too long. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you want to support my channel. And also, please don't forget to subscribe down below to help me reach my goal of 1,500 by Christmas. So yeah, guys, we're going to go ahead and get started with this unboxing. So for the month of September, the theme of the box is called Wildflower. And there is what the card looks like. And so first up in the box, I see this Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten. Mine is in the shade Tropic Hues. Here is what it looks like. And you open it up and there is the blush. It is a beautiful blush. Went ahead and swatched it for you guys. So pretty. I love getting blushes in boxes. I don't know if you guys love blushes as much as I do, but I love blushes. Like, I know some people love bronzers and stuff. I mean, I love all things makeup, but I really do get excited about getting a new blush in our Boxycharm. I don't know why. Anyways, next up in my box, I see this Lorac Pro Liquid Lipstick in the shade Nude Rose. So that is what it looks like. There's it swatched. So pretty. I'm excited to get a nude color. I love my nudes. But anyways, next up in the box is this Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Precision Liner. And on the side it says "Shake Me Up." Just shake it up. Shake it up, baby. Oh. So it's like a little rolling pin. It makes really precise lines. I made a few lines there for you guys. Like, the lines are super precise. It's pretty cool. I'm not too sure about it, but I ain't gonna hate. I'm gonna try. Don't hate, appreciate. Alright, moving on. We got these brushes by Lamar Cosmetics. One is a more blending brush. We've got an eyeliner brush, and then this really nice concealer brush. I am so excited about getting brushes in her Boxycharm. And then the last thing in the box for this month is this Nightingale Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow palette. Now, I did see a sneak peek about this, and I did know I was getting this. And at first, I was really bummed about it. I just was like, this is not my colors. I am a bright, colorful, wild child when it comes to my eyeshadow. It is really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them for you guys real quick. So first up we have Nocturnal. It's just like a nude, a really nude shade. Next up is called Pillow Fight. There's it. Break Free. There's it. Dark Side. Then we have Hide and Seek, called Clutch, Flip Out, I Spy. We have Silver Spoon, Swoon, After Midnight, and All Nighter. which is just a really nice matte black. So there is the swatches. They did swatch really good. They are really pigmented, and I'm excited to dive into this palette. So we're going to go ahead and create an eye look with this real quick. So I have this thought of creating the Nikkie Tutorials, the new famous cloud eye look that is going around the internet, that is like super popular. I will go ahead and pop a picture up here of kind of what I'm thinking about trying to do. So yeah, since my eye's already set and prepped and everything, I think I'll dive into Silver Spoon, which it is a shimmer shade, but I'm gonna dive into that first because I'm wanting that like dark kind of like night sky look. Then I'm going to be working it on down to my lower lash line. And don't worry, I know I look like a raccoon now. I have been living for these like super smudged out eye looks lately that are just like super blended, super blown out. Like I've been living for these looks. Okay, so now that that is applied, I'm going to go ahead and deepen up the outer V, and I'm going to just go in with All Nighter, which is that black shade. And I'm just using a dense packer brush. I'm just gonna pack that right into my outer V. So now that we are done blending, 10 hours later, I'm going to go ahead and start creating that cloud look. I am going to be using this new concealer brush that we got in the Boxycharm, using my Tarte Shape Tape here. I'm just going to kind of just go for this here. I'm completely winging it. Okay, so here is my first attempt at trying the Nikkie Tutorials cloud look. Okay, you know, I'm not hating. I think it turned out like fairly decent. I'm gonna go in with my Kat Von D Saint and Sinner palette, not Saint and Sinner, the Kat Von D Divine palette, and I'm going to use the Female Treble shade. It's the white shade, and I want to just set this down, and I want it to be as white as we can get it. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in and create some stars using my NYX liquid liner. Alright, so here is my ending product. I've kind of surprised myself. I think I'm going to go in with this shade called Break Free. I'm going to wet my brush and kind of apply that over the clouds to see if I can't give it like a shimmer look. See what I can do here. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and finish smoking out the lower lash line now. And I'm just going to drag some more of that Silver Spoon shade on into my inner corner here. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara and we will be right back. But we are going to go ahead and use some of this Laura Geller blush to kind of finish out the look. And I'm just going to kind of go in with this big powder brush. I am noticing it does pick up a lot of product, so I'm going in very light. It is really pretty. And then I'm going to go ahead and finish up the look using the Lorena lipstick I got in my box. Okay. So that is with the Lorena Pro lipstick I got. It's a really pretty shade. I think it complements this look really well. So this is like the end final look now. The third time. Let me know, guys, in the comments down below what you guys think of how it turned out, what you think. Have you guys tried doing the NikkieTutorials Cloud Eye look? Let me know. Let me know if you liked the Boxycharm this month. I at first was really skeptical, but I really did enjoy this month's box. Yeah, so don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye guys, thanks for watching.
Hey guys, so if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.